Welcome back to the Revenue Zone book overview. This is session number 5, and my name is Tom Burton. I'm the author of the Revenue Zone, and today we are going to talk about probably my favorite chapter in the book, which is the Revenue Zone tech stack. So I'm going to stop talking and let's get into it right now. Okay, so here we are, chapter 7, the Revenue Zone tech stack. And what we're going to start off with here is really kind of a premise, and I'm a bit of a geek and I really like technology, but I also am a bit of a pragmatic geek in the sense that I only want to implement technologies that are going to give maximum value for the least amount of effort and overhead and maintenance. So what we want to do is we want to look at really what are our clear goals that we want to accomplish here. And we have a number of goals that we want to accomplish with our Revenue Zone tech stack. I won't go into all of these now, but you can read them in the book. And then we're going to go into a couple of assumptions and then jump right into what is part of, or the key pieces are, of the Revenue Zone tech stack. Now, the heart of the tech stack is what we call a CRM, or customer relationship management platform. And then we have a number of other different categories of technologies that tie into your CRM platform. So we go through each of these here in this chapter, including the resource center, marketing automation, analytics such as Google Analytics and so forth, behavior tracking and visitor identification. These are tools that we're using to try and better understand what our prospects are doing and how they're progressing on our yellow brick road, even though they may be in the anonymous zone. So all of these tools work together to accomplish the goals that we want to achieve with our Revenue Zone tech stack. So we go back at the end of the chapter and review everything again, look at how everything fits together. Also, we talk about really a valuable value add or side effect of your Revenue Zone tech stack. And that's the ability for you to build up a database of what we call, or what is called, first-party data. And this is data related to what your prospects and customers are doing. And there's a lot of information and analytics and insights that can be gathered out of that. And it's becoming more and more valuable as you own that first-party data. So we talk a bit about that and how that ties into your Revenue Zone tech stack. And then we end with a chapter summary and some discussion questions. Okay, so hopefully you got some good insights out of this chapter and see what's possible with your Revenue Zone tech stack. And hopefully also see that it doesn't need to be an overwhelming or massive project to accomplish this. The goal is to put everything in piece by piece, get some results, and then continue to expand from there. And then we also have tons of additional resources that we'll be putting up on our resource center to help you with this effort. All right, we'll see you in the next chapter, where we actually walk through the final step-by-step playbook that you want to use to put your Revenue Zone system in place. See you then.